In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily rearrange pages in Adobe Acrobat. This can be incredibly handy when you need to alter the order of pages in a PDF document. Whether you're compiling a report, assembling a presentation, or just tidying up a multi-page document for clarity. To start, you'll need to open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once you have the program up and running, the first step is to open the PDF file you want to work on. Simply navigate through your files to locate the document, then open it in Acrobat. With your PDF open, focus your attention on the right-hand pane of the window. This is where you'll find a variety of tools to help you edit and manage your PDF, and you'll want to look specifically for the tool labeled Organize Pages. If, for any reason, you can't immediately see the Organize Pages option, don't worry, it's a common issue. Instead, direct your attention to the top menu where you'll see several options labeled Home, Tools, and so forth. Click on Tools. This will present a gallery of options available in Adobe Acrobat, and from there, locate and select Organize Pages. This action will open a new interface displaying your document's pages in a neat thumbnail layout. Having this visual display of thumbnails at your fingertips makes it much easier to see the big picture and manage the order of your pages. Now, let's get into rearranging the pages themselves. Find the page that you want to move by looking through the thumbnails. Once you locate it, click and hold down the mouse button. Then drag the thumbnail to your desired position within the document. You'll notice as you move the page, the other pages will shift to make space for the one you're relocating. When you found the perfect spot, simply release the mouse button. Your page has now been successfully moved to its new position. You can continue this process for any other pages you wish to rearrange. Just remember to click, drag, and drop each page thumbnail into the right order. This step can be repeated as many times as necessary until you're satisfied with how your document flows. Once you finish making your changes, it's important to save your newly organized PDF to ensure all your hard work is preserved. To do this, simply go to the File option in the top menu bar. From there, choose Save if you want to overwrite the existing file, or select Save As if you want to keep both the original and the newly organized editions. And there you have it. Your PDF is now perfectly organized and ready to use. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a quick refresher on arranging pages.